Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and here we are going to create a different lamp. I have these existing lamps that I made from little clear containers that I bought at the Dollar Tree, and what I did was I took a file folder that was plaid black and white, and I cut it to the sides and I just placed it in there so that it could look like a lampshade, a nice plaid lampshade. Then I took a nozzle from the hair coloring. You know, when you color your hair, you dye your hair, that's what that is. So they're not like glued or anything, they're just placed like that. So I want to change them up. I mean, I can always go back and use these, but I want to change them up. I'm going to use these containers and I'm going to replace this with these magnets that you see here. I have some magnets, beautiful magnets, but I like the yellow ones for this project. And then I have some marble pieces that's gonna serve as my table. So why don't we get started? First, we're going to remove these two. We don't need these anymore. So now we have our two lampshades, right? So why don't we take one of these magnets, right? We're gonna take this yellow one, and this is gonna be our table base, right? Then we're gonna take one of these marble pieces, which this is the table, right? So now we got a nice little table right there, nice little table. And we are going to get, let's see, we're going to use these other pieces of magnets. This one is a little bit different from these. So what we're going to do is we're going to make this one a little base. So we're going to place it right here like that. And we're going to take another magnet, and look at how potent that is. Look at that. So this is going to be the base of a new lamp. So why don't we place this right on the table here, right there. Doesn't it start looking like a lamp already? But we're not finished. Why don't we use another one just to give it some height? So we're going to place it here. Okay, right there. It's looking fancy. And then we'll take one of the containers and we'll place it right on top, right here. Look at that. That will work for my new dollhouse bedroom. So we have a nice fancy lamp made from magnets on top of another magnet. So the two magnets are joining with that marble. So I'm going to make two of those. So here is the other one. So now we have the two lamps. Isn't that cute? I could always go back to using those nozzles that I told you about, but in this case, for the room that I am working on, I'm going to use these two. Alrighty. Thank you for watching.